Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital security and networking. Today, we're tackling how to restrict a Wi-Fi user in 2025. With the rise of smart homes and increasing online threats, controlling who accesses your Wi-Fi is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a parent limiting your kids' screen time or a business owner protecting sensitive data, this step-by-step guide will help you secure your network effectively. First things first, let's get into the basics. Start by accessing your router's admin page. Open your web browser and type in the default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You'll need your admin username and password. Don't worry, it's often admin and password by default, but change it for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wireless Settings or Device Management section. Here, you'll see a list of connected devices. Look for the one you want to restrict, identified by its MAC address, a unique identifier for each device. For example, if it's your teenager's gaming console, select that device. Now, for the fun part, applying restrictions. In 2025, most routers support advanced features like bandwidth throttling or access scheduling. Set a daily time limit, say from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., or cap the data speed to prevent hogging the network. If your router doesn't have these options, consider using third-party apps like parental control software from Google or Apple, which integrates seamlessly with your Wi-Fi. After making your changes, don't forget to save and apply them. Test it out by trying to connect the restricted device and see if the limits kick in. Remember, always double-check for firmware updates on your router to ensure you're using the latest 2025 features for better security. Wrapping this up, restricting Wi-Fi users is a simple yet powerful way to maintain control over your network. It enhances privacy, reduces bandwidth waste, and promotes healthier digital habits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below on how you use Wi-Fi restrictions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.